Good morning, students. You learn theorem number 2.1 and 2.2. Both are very important. So, you perfect that in that theorems now. Today, I'll teach you different theorem. So, criteria for similarity of triangles. Criteria for similarity of triangles. What is the meaning of that? If any two triangles are similar, if any two triangles are similar, then we stated that. What did we state? We stated that the first one corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And the second one, what is that? Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in same proportion. Means, what is the symbol of similar? This is the symbol of similar. What is the symbol? This is the symbol of similar. What is the meaning of this? If any two triangles are similar, for example, this one is a triangle A, B, C, and here another one triangle P, Q, R. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR similar when their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding means angle A corresponds to angle B. Angle B corresponds to angle Q. Angle C corresponds to angle R. First one, their corresponding angles are equal. And another one, first one this, then second one, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. If in any two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So how to write this as in symbolically? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What can you state here? If in any two triangles that the triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides AB corresponding side PQ, BC corresponding side QR, PR its corresponding side AC. Those are in same proportion. Those are in same proportion. On the base of this, we have to learn now 2.3 theorem. So, now theorem number 2.3. If in two triangles corresponding equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. You have to prove their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Hence, the two triangles are similar. So, for see, observe here figure. A, B, C. One triangle. D, E, F. Another one triangle. What are they given? In triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F. D, E, F. The angles, corresponding angles are equal. Means angle A equal to angle D. Angle A equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to E. And angle C is equal to F. They are given. They are given. What can you prove? What can you prove here? To prove AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon EF. As AC upon DF. You have to prove this one. Some construction is there. Some construction. Mark G and H 2 points. Mark G and H points on AB and AC such that AG equal to DE and AH equal to DF. What can you do here? Mark 2 points G and H such that AG is equal to DE and AH is equal to DF. AH is equal to DF. This is join GH. Join GH. How can you prove this? Shall I rub this statement? So, proof. In triangle AGH and triangle DEF. In triangle AGH and DEF, they only given you angle A is equal to angle D given. You have to write this is a statement and here reason. You have to write in a prayer book. This is statement and here reason. So they only given. Angles are equal. They only given. And angle B is equal to angle E. This also they only given. Angle B is equal to angle E. They only given. And AG equal to DE. AG equal to DE. Oh, sorry. AG equal to DE. What can you did here? AG is equal to DE. You only constructed by construction. And AH is equal to DF. This is also by construction. You only did AH is equal to DF by construction. So, therefore, triangle AGH is, what is the symbol of this? What is the symbol of this? Congruent. This is symbol of congruent. Congruent to triangle DEF. By which? Two sides and including angle. Two sides and including angle. In 9th standard, you already learned. From which postulate? SAS. From which postulate? Side, angle, side. By side, angle, side postulate, you have to prove these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, angle AGH is equal to angle DEF because of CPCT. Because of CPCT. What is the long form of CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. From CPCT, this angle is equal to this angle. So, I shall rub this. AGH is equal to DEF. But angle B is equal to angle DEF or angle E. They only given. Observe here. This DEF is equal to AGH and this angle B. So, therefore, angle AGH is equal to angle B by axiom. See here, for these two, so angle this B. So, angle AGH is equal to angle B. So, when these two angles are equal, means these are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Therefore, GH parallel to BC. GH parallel to ABC. Therefore, इधर कट करें. If GH is parallel to BC, therefore AB upon AG equal to BC upon GH equal to AC upon AH. AC upon AH. So, because of corollary of theorem number 1, corollary of BPT theorem, corollary of theorem number 1, you already proved this. You already, but AG is equal to, you only constructed. AG is equal to what? AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. Because of these two triangles are congruent, then their sides also equal. Because you only proved up, you only here proved these two triangles are congruent. So AG is equal to D. Instead of AG is equal to D. GH, these two are equal because you proved congruent. GH is equal to EF and AH is equal to, so hence you proved this theorem. Hence you proved this theorem. Understood? This is very, very important. So you must prepare this theorem 5 times at a home, and without seeing this your notebook book, you have to prove in separate book. If you are brown students, you must do at home. These are 5 mark question or 3 mark questions. So you prepare perfect at home only. Shall I go to another one example? I'll give you on basis of one example. You do this. So you solve this. You do activity at home. I'll give you homework for you. You try this. You already learn how to construct a triangle. You already learn how to construct a triangle. I gave here measurement. AB. Here two triangles ABC and PQR. So angle side AB 5 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, AC 2 centimeter, PQ 15 centimeter, QR 12 centimeter, PR is equal to 6 centimeter. You construct these two triangles and tell me tomorrow. So these two triangles are similar or not? Now I will teach you. See, observe here. Their corresponding sides. AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. So, right here. 5 upon PQ how much? 15. So, next, this one BC 4 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. Then AC 2 centimeter and PR 6 centimeter. 5 ones are 5 threes are. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Observe here. All the sides are in the same ratio. All the sides are in same ratio. So, therefore, these two triangles are similar. How can you write symbolically? Triangle A, B, C, is the symbol of similar. Similar to triangle PQR. So on the base of this, so now another one theorem, that is 2.4. That is 2.4. I'll teach you now. So next theorem, what is that? If in two triangles, any two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to, means the same ratio, the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. You have to prove their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two given triangles are similar. Hence, the given two triangles are similar. See here. Here, two triangles. They are given. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. What are they given? In triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and DEF, they are given AB means proportion. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. BC upon EF equal to AC upon DF. They given. In two triangles, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion or in the same ratio. What can you prove here? To prove. What can you prove here? Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. What can you prove here? The given two triangles are similar when their corresponding sides are in proportion. Some construction is there. Construction. Mark 2 points. Mark P and Q on DE and DF such that AB equal to DP. AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. AC equal to DQ and join PQ. Join PQ. Join PQ. You joined here PQ. How can you prove? So, shall I rub this? Board is very small. So, I'll rub this statement and all. You already wrote now. So, how can you prove this? See, observe it. AB upon DE and AC upon DF, they are already given. You already wrote given. Then, therefore, DP, AB instead of AB, I wrote DP. I wrote here, instead of AB, I wrote here DP. Because of, by construction, you did. So, AB is equal to DP. You only constructed. So, therefore, DP upon DE equal to AC. AC means equal to DQ by construction. DP upon DE equal to DQ Therefore, PQ is equal to EF. PQ is equal to, sorry, not equal to, parallel. PQ parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF by converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. When these two are parallel, PQ parallel to EF, then DPQ, this angle and this angle are equal because of corresponding angles. You only proved PQ parallel to EF. You only proved when these two lines are parallel, these angles are equal. These two are corresponding angles. Similarly, these two angles also DQP and angle F corresponding. Therefore, these two triangles DPQ and DEF are similar. You proved when two angles are equal in say two triangles, other third one is this is common. So these two DPQ and DEF are similar. And DP upon DE. DP upon DE equal to PQ upon EF. This also by theorem. DP equal to AB upon DE. DP equal to AB. So AB upon DE, PQ upon EF. This is 1. But you wrote that in the given AB upon DE, BC upon EF. That also given. From 1 and 2, observe here. AB upon DE, So both are equal to, right? When RHS are equal, LHS also. When LHS are equal, RHS also equal. So from axiom, from 1 and 2, BC upon EF is equal to PQ upon EF. When these are equal, BC equal to PQ. So when these are equal, all sides are equal. These two triangles are congruent. Then these two triangles are congruent. So means all the sides AB equal to DP, BC equal to PQ, and AC equal to DQ. AB equal to DP, and BC equal to PQ, and AC equal to DQ. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ because of all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, angle B equal to angle DPE. So that also equal to, first only you proved this angle. So this angle equal to angle E. Totally angle B equal to angle E. And angle ACB equal equal to angle DQP. DQP. Because of you proved here, these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. So, this DQP, you proved angle F. Angle F. Then, angle A equal to angle D. Angle A equal to angle D. Observe here. Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle E. Angle ACB means this is C. ACB, C. This angle is equal to this angle. So, all the three angles are equal. Therefore, all the three angles are equal. When three angles are equal, that is equiangular. Equiangular triangles. These two are equiangular triangles. When all the angles are equal, then these two are similar. Therefore, when equiangular is there, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. When this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, you proved. This angle equal to this angle. These two triangles are equiangular. These two triangles are equiangular. When equiangular are there, so you already first only in 2.1 exercise you wrote in the fill in the blanks. Equiangular triangles are similar. Equiangular triangles are similar. So, when all the three angles of one triangle equal to angles of another triangle, then these two are equiangular. When these two are equiangular, then both are similar. Both are similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Understood, no students? So, I'll give you one homework for you. 2.3 and 2.4 theorem. 2.3 and 2.4 theorem you perfect today, and tomorrow I'll teach you 2.5 theorem. So up to that you write 5 times each one theorem, 2.4 and 2.3, and after that without seeing your book you have to write that theorems perfect with the statement. All this with diagram and given data to prove. You must prepare 5 times, and without seeing book you write promptly. Understood, no student? Thank you.